105 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5, 25. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, look, 5 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 5. So 0 times 5, 0 times 5, 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next digit, 10. 5 goes into 10 how many times? 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 0. Bring down this last digit. 0, 0 means 0. 5 goes into 0, 5 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 5, 0. Subtract 0. So our answer is 0 to 0. This 0 don't have any value. So 20, that is 20 is our answer.